Okay, so for your question 16, okay, let me explain it this way. So you start with 5,000, and every week you lose 10% of the money. So this is a decay problem. For decay question, so you can do this. So so you have initial amount, and then you have 1 minus r. R is the rate. So in this case, it's 10% to the power t. T is time. So you're putting, this is how much you will left, right? This is how much will it left in the account after 8 years. So in this case, this is 5,000. Okay, 1 minus, and R here is 10%. So 10% is 0.10. And then T is given because you're doing after 8 weeks. So this is going to be 8. So if you compute this, 5,000 multiplied by this will be 0.9 to the 8th power. So I suggest that you just plug this in your calculator as it is, and you should get, okay, so this is, let me write this things down. So 0.9 to the 8 to the 8, and then you multiply that by 5,000, which you should get this number, 2,152.33. This is how much is left in the account. Now the question says how much you withdrew from the account. So that means you're going to do initial minus how much is left in the account, right? So initial is 5,000. $5,000 minus 2,153.33. And if you subtract these two numbers, again, just use your calculator for the time purpose. So then you should get $2,000, 847.60, approximately 66. That's this. So then this corresponds to D, right? So this will begin in this case. So for your question 17, for 17, you had a triangle. This is 30 degree, and this is 45 degree. This is 8. And we're trying to find the length BC, right? Yes, length BC. Okay, so what I will do is I will go ahead and just draw a perpendicular line to the base of the triangle, which will make this a 60 degree. And then over here, you'll get 45 degree. And remember, we're trying to find the length BC here, right? So both triangles are special triangles. This is 30, 60, 90 triangles, and the other one is 40, 40, 45, 45, 90 triangle. So how it works with the 30, 60. Okay, this is the hypotenuse. If hypotenuse is 8, then opposite of 30 degree will be half of that. Okay, that's just a rule for 30, 60, 90 triangle. Opposite of 30 is always half of the hypotenuse. So this will be 4. Okay, so since I got a 4 here, then now I'm back into this triangle, and this is an isosceles triangle because you have 45, 45. So this will also be 4. And then we're trying to find the BC, so call BCX. And then you can just do the Pythagorean theorem in this triangle, which is 4 squared equals x squared. Then x squared equals 16 plus 16, and x squared equals 32. And if you take the square root of both sides, so x will equal to, this is 16 times 2, and square root of 16 is 4, and square root of 2 is just the square root of 2. So that's the BC, right? So BC should be 4 times root 2. Okay, so I hope this is helpful to you. And we have an app called MyLearnMate. And if you ask your question to our app, we'll always send you a video answer within 10 minutes. And sometimes our AI algorithm produce instant video, so you may get an instant video or a video within 10 minutes. So please go ahead and download it. It's totally a free app. It's already available in the App Store. Thank you.